Welcome to Honeybee English Channel. This is a channel for serious English learners. Today quiz's topic is transportation prepositions. You have 20 questions to answer. 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's begin. Well done! You finished the quiz. Do you know the basic difference between on, in, and by for transportation? Let's move on to the notes for better understanding. The preposition by is used to say how somebody travels. For example, I go to school by motorcycle, she goes to college by bus, he goes to work by train, we travel to London by plane. Secondly, the preposition on is used when we talk about larger vehicles, which we can stand and walk around freely. For example, on a bus, on a train, on a cruise ship, on a plane, etc. We also use the preposition on when we talks about small mode of transportation, which we can actually sit or stand upon the top of the vehicle. For example, on a scooter, on a bike, a motorcycle, on a camel. Lastly, the preposition in is used when we talk about vehicles, which are impossible for us to stand in them. So basically, if we must sit inside the vehicle, we use in. For example, in a taxi, in a car, in a truck, in a helicopter, etc. That's a wrap. How many questions did you get right? Write your result in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll come up with more valuable English learning contents.